Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and today we are going to do class 10th polynomials exercise 2.1 page number 28 of NCERT. Now if you see the question, some graphs are given to you and you are asked that find number of zeros in each of these cases. We have to find number of zeros. Now we have done in the previous topic that number of zeros are different for different types of polynomials. Say for example, if we have linear polynomial, then it can have just one zero. If we are having quadratic polynomial, it can have at most two zeros. And if we are having cubic polynomial, then it can have at most three zeros. Now this is about the equations that we have, polynomials that we have. And now according to these graphs, we have to see, if we see this graph carefully, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now graphically, how can we find the number of zeros? The number of points at which these lines or these curves touch the x-axis, those number of points are known as number of zeros. Say for example, let us take this graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a straight line of a graph. Now, is this line touching this x-axis anywhere? No, this is not touching it anywhere. That means this graph is having no zero. No zero. Then, let us come to the next part. That means, see, this is x-axis, this is your y-axis. Just see this graph. Is it touching the x-axis anywhere? Yes, it is touching at this point. And it is touching this x-axis only at one point. So this graph is having 1 0. Now let us see third one. At how many places this graph is touching x-axis? Just see, 1 place, 2 place and 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. So number of zeros in this is 3. Now let us come to the fourth part. This is x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is the curve, this is your graph. Now see at how many places is it touching? 1 place and 2 place. That means number of zeros for this graph is 2. Now see this. At how many places is it touching? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This graph, it is touching the x-axis at 4 places. That means this polynomial is having how many zeros? 4 zeros. Similarly, look here, it is touching 1, 2 and 3. So number of zeros for this graph is 3. I hope these graphical representation of zeros of a polynomial is clear. Thank you. We shall meet again in our next class. Bye-bye.